Red car in a green garage? Oh, let's paint the car green. Yay! Hello. Washing time. Now my car is green. Green. My fly! Where's Oliver? He's playing hide and seek. Let's find him! Let's go! Oliver! Yes! Watermelons! So fun! Hey! Bon appetit! Yum, yum! Enjoy, Oliver! Oh no! Next door! Yes! Wow, nice! Oliver! Oliver! Oliver is not here. Next is my food. Let's check. Oliver, are you there? Ah, crocodile! Good crocodile, don't eat me.
Okay.
Oliver is not here. My turn. I hope Oliver is hidden behind this door. Floor is lava. Yummy! I forgot about Oliver! Oops! I'm next. Last one. If Oliver's not here, then I don't know where is he. I see something. Maybe that's Oliver. Oliver is here! Look! Yay! Time to play! My prize! Uh-oh, he's playing hide and seek again. Welcome to Roma's kindergarten.
Good morning.
First baby!
Please take care of my boy.
Whoa! Blue baby!
Good morning.
Second baby? Hello! Huh? Yellow baby!
Hello.
Hi! Third baby!
I need go to the work.
Okay. Bye. Green baby.
Hello.
Fourth baby. Hello. Red baby. Fifth baby. Oh no. Hi there. yellow, blue, green, orange. Get ready today, nap time. Goodbye. Wow! Where's Orange? What's going on? Yellow, blue, green, something is wrong. Goodbye. Huh? Where is yellow? I don't understand. Where did they go? Whoa. Aggie. Oh no! Where did all the babies go? Hey! Yellow baby, I had found you! Yay! Nap time! One baby. Where is blue baby? Hello? Blue baby! I had found you! Cute. Two babies. Maybe here? Red baby! I had found you! Let's go! Three babies. More babies. What was the sound? Green baby! I had found you! Yay! Super! Whoa! Four babies. Baby! Come on, Oliver! Five babies. All babies. Wow! Today we will learn how to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Let's go. 1. Hello, Mr. B.
Hello!
So fun! Super! 2. Relax. Oh no! 3. Wow! Hello. Whoa. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3,